Magical moments often associate with magical places. Recently, I visited one of them, the forest, the river, and all the surrounding nature made me slow down and get high in the present moment. And best of all, it's only 40 minutes from Oslo downtown. Just one additional transfer, and you're already at the same place of power. More details about the road in the description. Currently, I suggest to plug and feel the atmosphere of harmony with me. This time I took with me only tent, a handsaw and an axe, and I will try to make a shelter with improvised means. I noticed a birch house and I decided that I could easily make a hot spot for myself. It would be useful for me to keep the temperature of hot drink as long as possible. I returned to this river several times and I decided I would stop here. It is also convenient. I will have access to running water from the mountains. The place turned out to be great, but dampness after the long rain period makes itself felt. I looked around and started organizing the shelter. Very soon I managed to find the right small logs that will serve as the basis for attaching the simple tent. I will make a tripod, which means I need 2 more logs. I cross the river and move all my logs towards my old life. I cut out sharp pegs to easily fix them in the soil. I tie it tightly with a rope and I fix it by pulling the tent as tightly as possible. And this is what I got. With the leftovers, I will make a fireplace. I need a very small fire to make a hot drink. In course of the action, I also come up with a supply of peg on the fire for chalk. Oh, well done! And now let's make delicious sugar-free cacao with almond milk. I'm also been trying to reduce my sugar intake. The fire is nice, and my cacao has already boiled. See the stand? Enjoying freshly prepared cacao on an open fire by the river on a sunny day. What could be better? I wish you a great weekend and harmony and joy for every day. Eventually, Simple things make us happy. Everything is cyclical, just like nature has seasons, so people are not entirely. But what we have now is wonderful. Life, sun, water, nature. We are part of this cycled city. When you realize such elementary things, you seem to be living your best life. I'm grateful you watching my videos. Subscribe, travel and enjoy this wonderful life with me. See you!